Today we're taking our keycaps.
We're making them custom. So this is the keycap that I made. I don't know if you guys know the game, the small indie game Valorant. But this is from that.
Let's just throw it around. Here they are, about to go in the oven at 275. Nick's is gonna go in for about 15 minutes. Mine's gonna go in for about 10, just because Nick's is a little bit thicker. They are now out of the oven. We are going to sand them down and then we're gonna paint them. And the painting is all done.
Now we're going to give them a gloss glaze. It takes an hour between every coat and 24 hours after a final coat. And this is what it looks like after 3 coats.
Now you're going to glaze them for a protective coat.
No, it's a lot of
protective coat.
They're done.
Hope you guys like them.
Right, please give me a gun, buddy.
We stream on Twitch every day, and I hope you guys check out the other YouTube content.
That's all for today, guys. Spread the peace.
Spread the love.
Bye.
Bye.
We're making them custom.